Blockchain technology is reshaping the way we think about data and transactions, offering a decentralized approach that's both secure and transparent. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, ensuring that no single entity has control over the entire system. This decentralization reduces the risk of manipulation or failure, making it a reliable foundation for everything from cryptocurrencies to supply chain management. One of its standout features is immutability. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it can't be altered or deleted, which adds a layer of trust and integrity to the system. Add to that the use of cryptographic techniques and consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake, and you've got a technology that's not just innovative but also highly secure. Beyond its role in powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, blockchain has found applications in a wide range of industries. In supply chain management, for instance, it helps track the movement of goods, ensuring transparency and authenticity. In healthcare, it secures patient data and streamlines medical records, while in finance, it enables faster and cheaper cross-border payments through decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. Even voting systems and real estate transactions are being transformed by blockchain, offering greater transparency and reducing the risk of fraud. Smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with terms written directly into code, are another game changer, automating processes and cutting out the need for intermediaries. Of course, blockchain isn't without its challenges. Scalability remains a significant hurdle, as many blockchain networks struggle to handle the same volume of transactions as traditional systems. Energy consumption, particularly in proof-of-work-based systems, has also been a point of criticism, though newer consensus mechanisms like proof of stake aim to address this. Regulatory uncertainty and resistance from traditional industries have slowed adoption in some areas, and interoperability between different blockchain systems can be a complex issue. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain looks incredibly promising. Innovations like Layer 2 solutions, which improve scalability, and the shift toward greener, more energy-efficient blockchains are paving the way for broader adoption. The rise of Web3 and the decentralized internet is positioning blockchain as a key player in the next evolution of the digital world. Enterprises are increasingly exploring blockchain for business processes, and the concept of tokenization, turning real-world assets like real estate or art into digital tokens, is opening up entirely new possibilities. In essence, blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative technology that's here to stay, with the potential to redefine industries and create a more transparent, secure, and decentralized future.